Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a daily work plan into your space on ClickUp. A daily work plan is really helpful if you feel overwhelmed or you're not sure what to focus on each day, because it gives you a clear list of actions to follow from morning to evening. So, what is a daily work plan? Basically, it is going to be nearly a routine task creator or task organizer for your task projects. Daily doings into this platform. So it is going to be in a form of organized tasks with reminders, and you're going to have them set up just like that. You can use it for personal tasks, client work, studies, or even team activities. And everything will be in one place, so you don't have to jump between different tools. Now we are going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and after that we are going to be on this place. We are going to head over the spaces. We can go ahead and create a new space and name it Daily Tasks, or let's say Daily Plans. Daily Plans. So we are going to create it. Inside this space, you can later create different lists, like today, this week, or morning routine, to keep everything even more structured. You can go ahead and start it from scratch, or you can go ahead and use a template. For example, I'm going to type in daily and see what do we have, daily or plan. Let's see if we have plans, change, urban plan, whatever. So I'm not going to use a template, I'm going to create it from scratch. So we are going to use starter for everyday task. And for the views, I'm not going to use a lot, I'm going to simply create the space. As you can see, we have some limitation to spaces here. Let's see, I'm going to delete one of the spaces. We have 6 space. How is that possible? So let's see, ID space EO. Please go ahead. I'm going to try to add it again, daily. Let's see here, tasks or plans. Click on continue. Yes, I would like to have the space here. We have it, and there it is. So we are going to add task, for example, I don't know, here, prepare for meeting. Meeting here. We have here a collect, for example, resources. I don't know, something else? Like you're gonna create another task, like check emails. You can go ahead and create something or unlimited number of tasks. For each of these tasks, you can add details like descriptions, checklists, and attachments so that all the information you need is directly inside the task and you don't waste time searching in emails or other apps. The signing, if you're going to be you only setting up this, you can go ahead and select yourself, me. Due date, basically you're going to have the daily due date. For example, I don't know, this is going to be like that. You can go ahead and add a new status. This is going to be the to-do. I'm going to have it as this date, 6 of November 2025. I'm going to have it like that. This is going to be for November 7th, 2025. So we can go ahead and name it as, I don't know, here. We can go ahead and have everything like the ones before for meeting, collect, resources, and check. Check emails, boom. Can go ahead and do the same thing just like that tomorrow. So we're gonna have it as like that only, and boom. You can go and set up the priority urgent. This one, I don't know, high. This is gonna be normal. This is urgent, for example, normal, boom. We're gonna set up this as, I don't know, here you can go ahead and set up the dates. You can also make some of these tasks recurring if they repeat every day, like check emails or review daily goals. So ClickUp will automatically recreate them for you and your daily work plan will always be ready without extra effort. Another nice thing is that you can switch the view of this daily plan. For example, use the list view for a simple checklist, the board view to move tasks from to-do to in progress to done, or the calendar view if you like to see everything on a day-by-day schedule. This makes it easy to adapt your daily work plan to your personal style. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you all enjoy the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If this helped you set up your daily work plan in ClickUp, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more ClickUp features, let me know down in the comments.